Rachel wants a shelf to go above the sink right here to keep all of this crap off the sink. But because it'll get wet, I'm going to try to make it out of this sheet of acrylic, and the shelf is going to go right here. And it'll be interesting to see because I've never worked with acrylic before. I'll start by switching to a smaller saw blade because the smaller blade has a lower tooth speed, and that probably means less melting of the plastic. It's an okay cut, but definitely not as nice as the factory edge. I wonder if that can be cleaned up with a hand plane. Not really. But a cabinet scraper made a big difference. These two pieces are going to form vertical supports to hold the shelf on the bottom of the bathroom cabinet. But how to join these? I read that solvent cement can be used to join some of this plastic. I'm not sure, so let's give it a try. First I have to peel the protective layer off of it. So let's see. Lots of safety warnings on here which I didn't read, but down here it says the joint should not be disturbed for 1 hour. It's now been over an hour and there's this funny smell in my workshop from that solvent cement. And let's try to break this. Oh. It seems like it's still a little bit soft, but I think it has potential. I'll have to do another test and leave that one longer. I gave this one a whole day to set, so let's see how that holds now. Well, I think that will be okay. I didn't get adhesion on the whole thing. I'm sanding the glue surface a little bit because I'm not sure if there's any coating on it. Before I glue it together, I'm going to drill the mounting holes because it's easier now. I have to not let the drill get too hot, otherwise everything just melts. I'm doing the final glue up outside so I won't have all the fumes in my shop. I wasn't sure how much faith I should have in the strength of my glue joints, so I added this thin backer to help reinforce it here, and that also stiffens up the shelf, and I figure I should also add some screws to the corners right here. Now with the protective foil removed, the shelf just about disappears, although I'm sure it'll show up much better once it's dirty. Now with all the stuff moved onto the shelf, it's much easier to clean up around the sink. Although filthy sinks never used to be a problem when I was single.